Beehiiv Review, the ultimate newsletter platform for content creators in 2025. From a small startup in 2021 to raising a massive $12.5 million Series A in 2023, Beehiiv has exploded onto the newsletter scene with over 17,000 publications now using their platform. But is this just another overhyped tech darling or the real deal for content creators? You know how most platform reviews barely scratch the surface? They sign up, click around for 20 minutes, and suddenly they're experts. Not today. Welcome to the total breakdown of what might be the most powerful tool for newsletter creators in 2025. So let's get into what actually matters and dive straight into the first thing you'll notice when you sign up, that dashboard. When I first logged into Beehiiv's dashboard, I was immediately struck with its thoughtful design. Unlike platforms like MailChimp that bombard you with options, Beehiiv presents a clean, distraction-free interface organized into 5 intuitive sections: Write, Grow, Monetize, Audience, and Analyze. The post-creation process is where Beehiiv truly shines. The real magic happens when you begin writing. Beehiiv has implemented what I consider the most intuitive formatting system I've encountered. Simply typing the / anywhere in your text instantly reveals a menu of formatting options: headings, bullet lists, number lists, images, embeds, polls, dividers, buttons, and more. During my testing, adding an image with caption, creating a number list, and inserting a divider took less than 40 seconds. The same task took nearly 3 minutes on other platforms. This efficiency is game-changing when you're producing weekly content. What truly sets Beehiiv apart is its exceptional growth tools. The first feature is what is called a referral program. Basically, you're incentivizing your readers to help you grow by creating an embedded form within your emails. People can simply copy their referral link, share it with friends, and once their friends sign up to your newsletter, they get rewards. The rewards can be anything: a digital product, a coaching session, a physical product. This referral program is something that some of the biggest newsletters have used, Morning Brew, The Hustle, to absolutely explode their growth. During testing, newsletters implementing the referral program saw subscriber growth rates at 2 to 3 times higher than those without it. One test newsletter grew from 1,200 to 4,700 subscribers in just 8 weeks, primarily through referrals, growth that would cost thousands through paid acquisition channels. The second thing Beehiiv offers that's really powerful is the Boost feature. You create your profile of your newsletter and then set a price for how much you're willing to pay per subscriber. Other newsletters can promote your newsletter and they get paid for that. Instead of running Facebook ads or Google ads where you need to know how to optimize campaigns, this basically does the ad running for you automatically. Beyond newsletters, Beehiiv's recently enhanced website builder deserves special attention. The platform now offers a robust website creation tool that automatically transforms your newsletter content into a professional-looking website. Unlike the basic landing pages of old, this full-featured website builder allows for custom navigation, multiple pages, and responsive designs that look stunning on both desktop and mobile. Further, in a game-changing move for content creators, Beehiiv has recently introduced comprehensive podcast integration that transforms how newsletters and audio content work together. This isn't just a basic embedding feature, it's a complete podcast publishing ecosystem built right into the platform you already use for newsletters. Beehiiv's analytics capabilities proved exceptionally valuable in practice. The granular subscriber data allows for targeted content optimization that produces measurable results. One technology newsletter identified low engagement with technical tutorials despite high open rates. After segmenting subscribers based on Beehiiv's engagement data, they created separate content streams for technical and non-technical audiences, resulting in a 27% increase in click-through rates and a 14% reduction in unsubscribes. For subscriber management, the platform offers comprehensive segmentation capabilities that allow you to organize subscribers based on practically any variable: sign-up source, engagement level, purchase history, or custom attributes you define. I tested this by creating segments for highly engaged subscribers, potential premium converts, and re-engagement candidates, then sending tailored content to each. The process was remarkably intuitive, requiring no technical knowledge. Of course, all these fancy features don't matter if they break the bank. Let's talk about what might be Beehiiv's biggest advantage: their unique pricing structure. There are 3 plan options available: free, grow, and scale. The free plan is impressively generous, supporting up to 2,500 subscribers with unlimited sending, web hosting, custom newsletters, analytics, and custom fields. The Grow plan, $42 per month when billed annually, includes custom domains, premium subscriptions, and A/B testing for subject lines. The Scale plan, $84 per month when billed annually, introduces the referral program and integrated advertising network. What truly distinguishes Beehiiv's pricing model is its flat rate structure. When I migrated 3,500 subscribers from another platform, Beehiiv required verification of my subscriber acquisition methods. An extra step that initially seemed annoying, but ultimately protects both creators and subscribers from engagement-killing spam practices. Unlike most competitors that increase prices as subscriber counts grow, Beehiiv charges the same amount regardless of audience size. For a newsletter with 10,000 subscribers, Beehiiv's Scale plan costs approximately $1,000 annually, while ConvertKit would cost around $1,800 annually. This gap widens dramatically as subscriber counts increase. Building an audience is great, but let's talk about what most creators really care about: turning that audience into actual revenue. Here's where Beehiiv offers some serious advantages. If you want to charge for content, Beehiiv allows you to do that with their premium subscriptions functionality. While Substack takes 10% of subscription revenue, Beehiiv allows creators to keep 100% minus standard payment processing fees. Beehiiv also has an ad network that connects newsletters with potential sponsors, streamlining the often cumbersome process of securing sponsorships. You can monetize your newsletter with ads from different brands through their marketplace. You can see what sponsorships are being offered and how much they are paying. Apply, put that in your newsletter, and start generating revenue. Limitations. The not-so-perfect side of Beehiiv. While Beehiiv offers an impressive suite of tools for newsletter creators, it's far from perfect. After thorough testing, several significant limitations became apparent that potential users should consider before committing to the platform. The API functionality proved to be disappointingly limited, especially for creators with technical requirements. Unlike competing platforms with robust API capabilities, Beehiiv's API is designed primarily as an out-of-the-box solution rather than a service for deep integration with external systems. Several developers I spoke with expressed serious frustration when attempting to connect Beehiiv with custom-built websites or other software in their stack. Customer support is another critical area where Beehiiv falls short. Free plan users receive no direct support whatsoever. They're limited to self-service, help documentation, and community forums. This became painfully obvious during testing when a subscriber import issue on the free plan took over a week to resolve without any personal assistance. Even on paid plans, support response times averaged 24 to 48 hours during my testing period, significantly slower than competitors like ConvertKit, which offers live chat support within minutes. Analytics accuracy also proved problematic in the wake of Apple's mail privacy protection changes. I observed alarming discrepancies between Beehiiv's reported open rates and actual engagement metrics. In one particularly concerning instance, Beehiiv incorrectly flagged several highly engaged subscribers as inactive, nearly causing them to be removed from the subscriber list. This analytics unreliability makes it difficult to make data-driven decisions about your newsletter strategy. Finally, Beehiiv's policies are extremely strict compared to competitors. During testing, Multiple users reported immediate account suspensions for minor policy violations with minimal warning or explanation. While content quality standards are important, Beehiiv's hair trigger enforcement approach can leave creators in a difficult position if their account is suddenly frozen. New email marketers especially should thoroughly read all terms before building their newsletter business on the platform. So, how does Beehiiv stack up against the competition? Let's see who comes out on top when we put it head-to-head with other popular newsletter platforms. Competitive analysis. Beehiiv is the best platform for content-focused newsletters and publications. It's an all-in-one solution for website, email, data analytics, and growth tools. You get ownership of your audience and custom aesthetics, so you can really decide what you want to do with your audience and how you want your website to be presented. When compared to Substack, Beehiiv's most direct competitor, several key differences emerge. While both platforms target content creators with newsletter and website publishing tools, Beehiiv offers significantly more customization options and growth tools. The most striking difference lies in the revenue model. Substack takes 10% of premium subscription revenue, while Beehiiv allows creators to keep 100%. Against ConvertKit, Beehiiv positions differently. ConvertKit excels as a robust email marketing platform with advanced automation capabilities, while Beehiiv focuses more on publishing, growth, and monetization tools specifically for newsletter creators. It's worth noting that both platforms utilize SendGrid's API for email delivery, resulting in virtually identical delivery rates during my comparative testing. This means your decision between these platforms should focus on features and pricing rather than deliverability concerns. Emails from both services are equally likely to reach your subscribers' inboxes successfully. For creators who prioritize automation workflows, ConvertKit may still have an edge, but Beehiiv's specialized newsletter tools and flat-rate pricing structure make it the more compelling choice for content-focused creators building newsletter businesses rather than email marketing funnels. After all this analysis, you're probably wondering, should you actually use Beehiiv? Let me deliver my final verdict. Conclusion: is Beehiiv the right platform for you? After extensively testing Beehiiv across multiple newsletters and analyzing real performance metrics, here's my honest assessment. For creators building a newsletter-centric media business with monetization ambitions, Beehiiv offers the most aligned feature set and economic model in the market today. The platform's specialized tools directly address the challenges of newsletter growth, engagement, and monetization. If you're using newsletters primarily as marketing tools for another business, platforms with broader marketing capabilities might better serve your needs. Similarly, developers requiring extensive technical customization might find more flexible alternatives in platforms like Ghost. Overall, Beehiiv earns a 9 out of 10 rating for its exceptional execution of core newsletter functionality and creator-friendly business model. The platform has clearly been designed with a deep understanding of content creators' needs, challenges, and growth paths. For creators serious about building sustainable newsletter businesses, Beehiiv has established itself as not just a tool, but a strategic partner in audience building and monetization. Ready to try Beehiiv? They offer a 30-day free trial with no credit card required, so you can test all these features yourself.